Welcome back to a new episode. We're carrying on with the bookcase. So, what are we doing today? I need to put the dividers in so we can create the sections of the bookcase, pretty much. Now the main one is the middle, which we've got to have a TV in it. So, like I've done with the frame, I need to biscuit joint it all, screw it all in. Then I need to glue it all together like the sides again, and then we're laughing. Then we just need to shelves and stuff. I got shouted at by one of my pals, who surprisingly is I'm surprised, and I know you'll be watching this video, but I'm surprised you're a HSE. That comes from my heart, sorry, but I'm gonna have to wear this because he shouted at me. I'm not gonna repeat what he said because it was extremely filthy and very suggestive. So, the inside measurement for all this shenanigans is 1837. Let me double check. It's true. It is 1837. So I just need to cut the lengths to that. 2 lengths. Biscuit them together like this. Once they're biscuited together, then I put another biscuited set on top. And then sandwich and glue. Joinery. Okay, so as you can see, I have an extremely wide crack right here. Don't be dirty. So I've glued the entire crack, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to biscuit the end to keep it all together when I clamp it, and then I'm going to cut the biscuit off the end, and it should piece it all together.
Can the devil show up? If it does, is it real? Do you understand? Is there more to the I don't know, oh I don't know. I don't know, oh I don't know.
I don't think that I can figure out where my mind is trying to go no more. No. I can't figure out if I could make it out this box I like to clothe me with. Someone get me out my head before it explodes. I hate family pictures, family portraits, sad to look on. Dad keep trying to look strong, my smile look broke on. I be looking off to Jupiter like Saturn, gonna give an answer to this pattern that I walk in. Rancid smells keep leaking out my memory box. Someone get it close.
I put all the middle sections in, doubled them up. As you can see, I've done that now. So very easy. Didn't film much of it just because it was a repeat of everything else, and who wants to see me sticking wood together multiple times in the same way over and over and over again. So what we've got to do now is we've got to do the backsplash. I always say backsplash. Splash back, backsplash, splash back, splash back. So we've got to put the back on, and I'm going to be using this. Why does it not focus on the thing? Focus, 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 focus. Please focus. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. So, it's called V-groove because of... It's called V-groove because of that right there. You see that little detail right there? It's because when another one butts up to that, it creates a V shape. And that's all I'm using. So yeah, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them all to size. It's all the same size, 192. And then I'm just going to screw it on the back. I'm just going to screw them all to the back. And yeah,
Someone say
we have
my
the back
soul,
then.
yeah. Someone say my must be the colors in the kids. You giving, and all I see my mama screaming that I look like. Must be the colors in the kids. The music is in, and all I see my mama screaming that I look like. Humdrum novelty days. I wash away like the rich do poverty stains. My bloodline out of harmony. I'm hardly the same. Little kid who used to walk around with hardened things. My bloodline full of bad denim. It's all knockoff Levi's. Wishes, bad memories. I throw them off
so
to the seaside.
biscuit
Bust
joiner.
around, make a beeline.
My original one that I've used for the actual big frame of this is really bad. Everything's really loose and flexible, and I'm trying to put all the shelves together and it's pretty much just ruined everything. I'm being very dramatic because I'm quite stressed. So, I didn't want to spend too much money on a tool, and plus I needed it now. And if you want to get a tool that's, as we'd say, expensive in England, or a nice brand like Makita or DeWalt or stuff like that, it's hard to just go in and get a biscuit jointer off the shelf, or it is where I am. So I decided, yes, tool review. Right, so we've got instructions. What I am, a spanner. It works. This thing, I don't know what it is. Comes with a bag. That is so much better. Customer review, even though it's not a tool review, but Erbauer, it's a great tool. It does what it needs to do. It cuts and it delivers. Thank you. It was £70. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. I really hope you, well, enjoyed watching it. I'm just have to wait for all the shelves to dry. That's where you're standing right now. You're on top of the shelves. I've clamped them all together, and it looks like some weird spaceship. I've just got some important things to attend to now, which hopefully I can announce soon if everything goes nice. And the next video will literally be finishing this bad boy off, put the shelves in, make sure they're all in, do the cupboard doors, do the cornice on top, build a platform for the bottom with a bit of skirting board, nice little detail thing. And we should be all good to go. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it, see you in the next one, bye! A worktop? No, no. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, cheers, same to you, bye bye. So polite.